Hello guys, and today I have this a Boat Super Extra Bass earphone. So I thought of unboxing it with you all guys. So let's begin. First of all, I need to open this box. Let me just cut this box from the cutter. So here we go. We have it open. So let's now quickly remove it. So this is what we get inside the box. We get some extra earplugs, and we get this some booklet, a small booklet. We don't need this right now. So let's get to the topic. So this is the headphone, and let's remove this headphone. So here we go. This is our headphone, and so let's try to remove this. Now let's remove this. So this is the headphone, and now let's test it. I'm going to tell you after testing the earphone. So let's wait till I test. So I've tested it, and now let me tell you the reviews of this earphone. So here these are the magnets which stick together. See, when we bring them closer, they stick like this. That's a good point. And the quality of this sound is actually really good. I'm happy with the quality. Now let's talk about the mic. So the mic is also really good, but there are sometimes some glitches while talking with the mic. So that's just a problem, but it's really nice headphone, and I think you should be fine with this earphone. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, I forgot one thing. This is the warranty card. They give you the warranty for 1 year. So what I was saying, so please subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an important update or any important video related to your favorite topics. Thank you.